Hey, how's it going, YouTube family? I just want to cut in and show you a little project that I've been building. If you happen to have any of those ugly culverts at the end of your driveway that you just don't know what to do with, I'm going to show you how in just a few hours one afternoon you can build some of these planter boxes. You can plant up with some pretty cool, inexpensive flowers. Turn that thing into something nice that you can be proud of, show off in your neighborhood. I did mine a few weeks ago, had a lot of compliments in the neighborhood. I actually got requests for currently 3 sets to build, so I got one set right over here that you can see. Those ones just in the process, they need to be stained. I'm gonna take you through and show you real quick what I do to build a set. So as you can see, that was just the first 4 long cut boards. I'm gonna not show the rest of them. Same process, pretty redundant. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark the short cuts and go ahead and cut. So there it is, final box complete. 30-45 minute build this time. As far as getting the hang of it, it just takes some time. You'll get used to it. Once you get process going, it's not bad at all. So for the pocket holes, we got 4 on each end. We got 3 on the bottom, 2 on the top. You can see those I circled. And this is going to hold the boards really steady together. Down on the other end, you've seen when we made the end cap, there's 3, 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. Now the next thing is, you don't have to make this the exact dimensions that I used. You can make it longer, you can make it wider, you can make more layers to it. It's all up to you on what size. This is just a rough idea of how to make a planter box, and this is, you know, specific. I made these for covering up the culverts on the end of a driveway. These exact dimensions will match up to these 36-inch planter boxes that you can get. It takes 2 of these, drop them in. They do sit a little bit low, so you will have to put some bracing or another something to build up on that bottom board just to raise them up to the top. But other than that, they slide in perfect on this dimensions, so 2 of them fit nice. And there you have it, quick easy project. Add some curb appeal to your house. Some of the final pictures, plant it up. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video to be useful, go ahead and like, subscribe. I'm going to put out as many videos as I can, trying to find different projects to do. Again, thank you, and have a great day.